You know, I think Disney does a really good job with these dolls. You want to talk about quality? This is the Disney Ily 4Ever dolls. This one is the I Love Minnie Mouse, and these dolls come with different character themes. So they have the dolls that literally look like Disney's characters, but they come with different accessories and outfits that are tailored to the character. So this one in this case would be Minnie Mouse. You got the Minnie Mouse beret, you've got the Minnie Mouse top and the jean with the Minnie Mouse on the bottom. You can see the Disney face right there, that style, the hoodie, the skirt, and it has the blue shoes. Now this one comes with extra strappy shoes with a it's like a pink bag or whatever, but it shows you can pose the doll in multiple different ways in all the different outfits, different combinations. You've got 10 pieces in all. The doll, it will stand up by itself if you pose it the right way. But yeah, this is the Illy doll. It's got a lot of weight to it. It's a really good, high quality doll. My daughters love these. I'll catch you guys on the next one.